Hello friends! Welcome back to our channel. Today we are going to discuss about Multispan PC-1044 Programmable Counter. Here is the unboxing of Multispan PC-1044, and on the side we have seen the details as well. Here on top first we get the brackets with that we get the main component with the user manual. Back side view. Dimension diagram. So here is the overview of programmable counter of Multispan PC-1044. Here is the proximity sensor connected with this module. It senses the object passes through it. And this is Npn Sensor. Firstly, power on counter. Press set key for set value of count range 0001 to 9999 count. Then for set relay on time value range 0.0 to 99.9 seconds. Press set key for enter 50 for parameter setting. Press set key for decimal point and change by up key. Then press set key for multiplication or divide factor to shows count/pulse by change by up key. Press set key for enter scale factor value change by up key. Then press set key for count direction up and down for change by up key. To set memory yes and no, press set key. Then press set key for relay instant on or delayed on. Here is the proximity sensor connected with this module. It senses the object passes through it, and this is Npn Sensor. For manual mode, set time equals 0.0 seconds. When pulse comes from sensor, upper display indicates increment in count in instrument. Lower display indicates set count value. Relay energies. And for auto reset mode, set time equals 0.1 to 99.9 seconds. When process value equals set value. Press set key for decimal point and change by up key. Then press set key for multiplication or divide factor to shows count/pulse by change by up key. Relay remains on for auto reset time. Relay turn off after completion time. If time is set at 0.0 seconds, then relay remains on until our ST key is pressed. If there is a power failure, the last reading is stored in the memory and counter starts resume counting from the last stored value when power on. To restart counting or to reset, press our ST key. upper display will show 0000 and the counting will restart. The proximity switch gives a pulse to counter every time the metal on the roller is sensed. Technical specification. Display, upper 4-digit 7-segment 0.4-inch red LED display. Lower, 4-digit 7-segment 0.3-inch green LED display. Size, 96 by 96 by 50 mm. Panel cutout, 92 by 92 mm. Input, Npn and PNP proximity selectable and micro switch. Output, 1 relay, 1 CO contact, 230-volt AC, 5 ampere. Memory, selectable yes and no. Reset, front reset key. Power supply, 230-volt AC, 60 Hz, approximate 4 VA. Protection level, as per request, IP65, front side, AS per IS/IEC. Operating temperature, 0 degrees Celsius to 55 degrees Celsius. Relative humidity, up to 95% RH non-condensing.